It's Fairy Garden Thursday today. The one and only Grandma Sani started the Fairy Garden Thursday trend, and we're making some beach-inspired fairy gardens. We're using all items. We're using all plants from my own yard. I did not buy any plants today for this project. This is the succulent collection I harvested from my garden. There are different versions of sedum in here. I've got some ornamental grasses, which I may or may not use. More autumn joy sedum. These are the planter pots I'm going to be using for my fairy gardens. For my ground covers, I have some pebbles and sand from local dollar stores, Dollar Tree and Dollarama. Here is my collection of fairy garden beach-inspired accessories. Again, some of these are thrifted, but most are from local dollar stores, Dollar Tree and Dollarama, as well as some pieces found on local beaches. So I have no idea what we're going to use, but I'm going to set up the camera and let's see what we come up with. Here is my first beach-inspired fairy garden of the season. These are all from the Dollar Tree, all the little accessories, and even the sands and stones are also from the Dollar Tree. Let's make fairy garden number 2. Here is my second beach-inspired fairy garden. All of these items are from the local dollar stores. The sedum and ornamental grass is just from my own garden.
One last look at my beach-inspired fairy gardens.
Thank you so much for watching my little fairy garden tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd love to see more similar videos in the future. Wishing you a little fairy magic in your day-to-day.